Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add OEX token to Metamask. First of all, we need to add the core money to our wallet. As OEX is deployed on the core blockchain, open Metamask and navigate to the browser section. Type scan.org into the browser and hit enter. Once the page loads, scroll down to the Add Core Network and select it. Now you just need to confirm the addition. The core mainnet has been automatically added to your wallet, allowing you to switch to it. Now it's time to add the OEX contract address. Select import tokens. Now you can copy the OEX contract address from the video description below and paste it into the token address field. Leave the field for token symbol and token decimal as it is and select import. You should now see OpenEX token listed and you are now ready to receive OEX token directly into your wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.